Hi everyone! In this video, we're checking out the cordless portable ice maker by Homevol. A special thanks to Homevol for sending this over for me to test out. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside we find a smaller box containing the power accessories and a larger box housing the ice maker itself. I'm going to unbox the unit first. Right on top is the manual. And thanks to the built-in handle, I could pull it out of the box with ease. It's definitely packaged securely. Now, let's look at the power accessories. We have the batteries, the charger, and an AC power adapter. More on those in a bit. Let's go over the details, starting with the manual. It covers everything from setup to maintenance. I highly recommend giving it a read, as it's very detailed and helpful. Next is the AC power adapter. This ice maker is versatile. It runs on both batteries and AC power, and we'll be testing both modes today. Speaking of batteries, it comes with two 20-volt 7.8 amp power packs. These are pretty beefy. They even feature level indicators and can be charged via a DC input cable. Here is the battery charger. You just slide the battery in like this to begin. When plugged in, it blinks red to show it's charging and turns solid green once finished. Finally, let's look at the ice maker itself. On the front, we have the display and control panel. You slide the knob left or right to navigate and press down to select. I'll show you that once we power it up. At the bottom is the ice basket, which comes with an included ice shovel. A nice touch. Once the basket is removed, you can see the reservoir where the water goes. Note the max line and the water level indicator on the right. On top, we have the handle. Since this unit is battery powered, it's designed for portability, and this handle feels very sturdy. On the right side, there is an exhaust fan, and on the back, you'll find the two battery connectors. Right between them is the AC to DC input port, if you prefer to keep it plugged in. Here is how you insert the batteries. Then on the left side, you have the intake fan. I'll show you the machine in action, but first we need to clean it. I'm going to wash the basket and shovel and wipe down the interior. Also, make sure the drain plug is properly inserted. Okay, let's get started. I'm pouring in a bottle of water, making sure not to cross that max line. I reinsert the basket, plugged it in, and turn it on. I chose the small ice settings to start. The settings are simple: small, large, and a toggle for the internal light. That light is remarkably bright, so you can easily see the progress inside. 8 minutes later, we have ice. Here's a cube from that first batch of small ice. Later on, I switched to the large settings. The machine actually got faster the longer I ran it, hitting 8 minutes or less per cycle. Here is a comparison between the small and large sizes. It's mostly just a difference in thickness. Now I'm outdoors at night. And of course, I'm running the machine entirely on battery power. This is all the ice I've made in under an hour. It's a decent amount. I'm going to load up my cup. These were all made on the large setting, by the way. I've really been enjoying this ice maker. I can take it anywhere and have fresh ice on demand. I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!